Regan, preparations now well underway for Toulon. You and the rest of the squad must be really looking forward to it now.
Really looking forward to it, mate. We've had a good 2 days of training. It's been a bit tough with the weather, but it's exactly what we're going to get out there. So it's been perfect 2 days really to get used to it, start to get to know everyone, see each other. Good to see some faces, and the new manager as well. Everyone's happy and in good spirits.
I was going to say, you probably haven't seen the boys for a little while. It's nice to get back together again.
Yeah, we have an unbelievable team. We're all pretty tight and all nice and friendly. So we still do keep in touch a little bit when we're at our clubs, but it's nothing like being together day in day out on a nice camp like this. So it's good to see them all doing well for their clubs, and it's good to meet up again.
And obviously being here at the Vale, where the seniors do their preparation for big games. It's a big part of the preparation. It's nice for you boys to be here as well.
It's a great hotel to stay in, and it can't be any better than if the first team are staying and using it. We're using all exactly the same facilities, same rooms as what they use. So it's good. If we do get called up, nothing will be alien to us, and we'll have a little bit of an idea what actually goes on. So that's the aim for everyone, to be called up into the first team, and hopefully it happens for all of us soon. Yeah.
And looking ahead to the Toulon tournament, first time Wales have been invited, a prestigious tournament as well. So you as a squad, but you personally as well, must be looking forward to playing in it.
Yeah, I'm really looking forward to playing in it. I've spoken to a few boys at my club, United, the likes of James Wilson, who played in it a couple of years ago, Jesse Lingard and stuff like that. They said it was an unbelievable tournament, and for them to say it, it must be really good. So for me and the team, we're really looking forward to it, and our group's a very good group. We have the host France in it, which is our first game, which is a tough way to start the tournament, but can't start in any better way. If you get a win there, then we're looking forward to the rest of the games.
France, 10-time winners of the tournament as well.
Yeah.
Ivory Coast have won it recently as well, a couple of years ago. So two big tests in that group.
Two big tests in that group. It's not the easiest of groups, but I believe we can get out of it and do really well past that. We believe in ourselves in this team, and the manager believes in us as well. We haven't been with him long, but you can tell he believes in us, and he believes we will win the group. So I believe we can win the group. Tyler believes we can win the group, and everyone else believes we can win the group. So confidence is high, spirits are high, and I think we'll do really well.
The manager you just mentioned there, he's only been in the job for a few months, but it's a chance for you and the rest of the squad to impress him, because the under-21 qualifiers start again in September, so you'll all be looking to be a part of that.
Of course, that's the aim is to get in September, and then the aim is to break into the first team after that. So it's a really good chance to impress him. He seems pretty impressed by what he's seen in the last 2 days of training, but there's nothing like playing a game and how you can impress someone in a game. So we just want to get out there now and start the games.
And for you personally, obviously you've been in the Wales age groups for a little while now, and obviously being at a club like Manchester United, what's that been in the last 12 months with Jose there?
Yeah, it's quite a few changes at the club, but it's obviously gone for the better. They made the Champions League, and I couldn't be happier for them. They put all their eggs in their basket, and it paid off. So, and from what happened in Manchester a couple of days back, to put a smile on their faces, a little bit of a smile on their faces again, meant so much to everyone in Manchester. So I was extremely proud and happy for everyone.
Have you had much dialogue with Mourinho since he's been at the club and the young players there?
Yeah, as you can see, a few of them. I'm a bit younger than the rest of them that played against Palace a couple of days ago, so it was a bit tough for me. But as you can see, he's not been known for playing youngsters. But I think he proved everyone wrong against Palace, and the youngsters came up trumps and beat them 2-0. So I was happy for everyone who got a game that day, and it just shows that he don't mind giving youngsters a chance. So for me as a younger player going through the ranks there, it's a really insight and makes me look forward to the future there.